guys, I'm Odyssey2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a care package from kind PickME1977. We're doing a trade. He dropped me an email last week to say he'd like to send me a care package off. So this arrived today, my friend. I'm on holiday in about 10 days, buddy, so if I can get something shipped out to you before then, I will do, but it might be after I come back off vacation. So let's see what's inside this. I want to try and open this carefully because I can reuse the box. To send your goodies out. Down the side. Let's have a look. Oh, there's a note in it. Pull that to one side. Odyssey2, I hope you enjoy these locks as much as I have. I would have sent more but couldn't fit any more in the package. Happy picking. Thank you, PickME. Thank you, my friend. You're an absolute gent. First thing, pick case. Oh my god. That is outstanding. I'm lost for words, and that's not very often. That is amazing. I could swear. I really could. You are an absolute gent, my friend. I cannot get over that. That is amazing. After the video and checking these other locks out, I'm going to put all my picks in this. Let me just pop that to one side. That is outstanding. Let's have a look. Aha. Ooh. No C-clip on the back, so I better not pull that out. Some ISIO. It says Texas Gym on there. Don't want to mess with that too much because I'll end up possibly throwing all pins everywhere. Beautiful. An Abus. That's going to be fun. Thank you so much. Aha. An American lock, 1100 series. I've got a couple of these 1100s. I think I've got a blue one and a black one. I've got an 1105 that's in red, that's a long shackle, so that'll go nicely in my new American padlock collection. I did have a yellow one, but I sent it to JJ80 some time ago in a care package. So thank you again for those. Let's have a look. I'm overwhelmed with that case, PickME, I really am. Sergeant. It's a Sergeant lock, but it's also got the grub screws in the back for obviously being able to sort of repin. So that is fantastic. What I'll probably do with this, once I've had a play, is get this sent out to maybe a newbie picker with a few pins from my collection as a training lock. Thank you. Beautiful. Well, you've really packed this box out, PickME, my friend. This one, pinned by PickME1977. The ugly, I'll say it, the ugly bastard is put on there. That is going to be fun to pick. Probably not going to be able to see that bitting on there. Brilliant. And there's more. You really didn't have to put all these in, buddy. You really didn't. Sort of unbranded on there. On the key it says Hudson. Spin that round. I'm going to have lots of fun with these. And there's another one in there. What's this one? Carbine Russwin. Never picked one of these. Last one. I love that key. Pinned by PickME1977. The Beast. No name on the front. I know Pitbeard on our UK Locksport forum will love that key because he has a kitchen zebra at home. So I'm overwhelmed, I really am. Like I say, speechless. Beautiful care package, and like I say, I am over the moon with this pick case, my friend. I really am. I'll get a care package out to you as soon as I can. So thanks for watching, guys. Thank you so much, PickME1977. You are a true gent. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Happy picking, even though it's not a lock picking video, and always keep it legal. Cheers, PickME. You're a true gent.